Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mehboob course. From this video series, we will be discussing and learning Java from basic to an advanced level. You might have a question, why Java in 2022? So the simple answer to this question is that Java is an object-oriented programming language where the programming is based on real-world objects and classes. So it gives the whole concept of oops and also help in the logic building of any program. In my opinion, Java is the best language for freshers who do not have any concept how to write a program in languages. There are many languages like Java, Python, C++, and many more. So if you are a fresher and don't know how to write a code, then no worries, I'm here. I will teach you Java from basic to an advanced level. It will be a very simple and concise understandable course for you, so don't worry about the course. Now moving further, Java has many applications as it is widely used for server-side applications to make APIs for making servlets and Java server pages, Java applets. So it is very popular language for server side. Also widely used to make GUI applications for desktop and also used for Android development too, and to make apps for Android operating system. The plus point of Java language is that it is portable language, means that it can freely run on any environment. So these were the some basic points of Java why to learn in 2022. If you want to be a Java developer, stay tuned with me and make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit that like button. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.